Hello friends, welcome to how to do it. Today I'll show you how to use how to link CSS in your HTML. All right. So previously I was used the internal CSS. This is the internal CSS. But if you want to use the external CSS, then you need to just add the CSS link. All right. So now I'll create a new CSS file like from here. New files like style.css. This is a CSS file, but it will be not work anything. Like if I remove this code and now again open the browser, then it is not working. But my this CSS code just paste here and this tag remove. Now just reload here, not working because this is the still now not a linking in HTML. All right. Now, if you want to link, then you can just write link tag, right? Like link tag. This is the link tag. Now I will just linking like sty style.css. Now, if you check again browser, then it is the center. Now we can check where from come this CSS. If you select this one, then you can see the h1 tag and write text and center. This is come from style CSS. So that's it. It is the pretty easy. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. And our code will provide on description box. If you need, you can get from our description box. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.